If you see this error 504 in Zerowake Gates game, then it's not you. The issue is on the end. This normally occurs during maintenance. Just a few hours ago, if you go to this Zerowake Gates subreddit forum, you can see someone was facing the exact same issue. And if you go to the comment section here, you can see lots of people just complain they also face the same problem. Now, this occurs during maintenance, and the problem normally resolves itself after a few hours. However, you can try these steps if you're on your phone. Make sure to close your game, and then after closing your game, tap on settings, scroll down and select on apps. Now search for the game, which is Zerowake. So once you type Zerowake, you can see here Zerowake Gates, tap on it, and then tap on storage, and then make sure to clear the app cache if you see an option to clear the app cache. After clearing the app cache, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for the game. Tap on it and ensure that you have installed the latest version of Zerowake Gates. However, in most cases, you don't need to worry much. This error usually occurs when there is an issue on the end during maintenance. You just need to wait for a few hours and the problem will likely resolve by itself.